Yung trophy namin ready na eh. Gravity na yung nakalagay eh. Shoutout, hindi naglalaro siya. Hari! Basket comes! Grabe naman talaga. Foul number 5. Hermanes ang nagawagan ng foul. That's your first personal foul, second team foul. Grabe. Bonus free throw for Constantino. Basket for Constantino. Score 21-14. Number 12, Joble. Joble! No fear shot. 2 points. Bastos mo ba tayo for number 12? Eto na ulit, Constantino. Constantino. Ball. Naka po, na-defend siya. Good defense. Ball ng team. Gravity. 11 seconds to shoot. 11 seconds shot clock. 11 seconds. To Constantino. To Kevin. Kevin fakes. Kevin drives. Kevin with a spin! Grabe yung spin mo, Kevin. There's a technical foul. Technical number. Who's technical rep? Number 3.
Nice one.
Team Anonymous. Igawang na technical.
Nice one.
Grabe si Kevin. Kahit baliktad yung ibig niya. Basta pumasok. Hermanes. There's a call and there's a foul. Foul number 4, Constantino. That's your second personal foul. Warning for penalty. Warning for penalty, Team Gravity. Doble. Doble, friend. Doble for the bang! Score 24-19. Nahuli ni Backman to Doble. To Biray versus Ball. Nasa mali ka, idol. Time out! Team Gravity.
Iwasan for 0.
Idol, nasa mali. Okay, shoutout muna tayo ulit. Shoutout kay Mark Peralta at Fred. Shoutout po. Good luck daw kay Daddy JR of Team Anonymous from Abby and Cali. From Rose and Hernandez. Shoutout po sa inyo. Shoutout Team Pinoy Bowlers. Albarcia, Pibab, Mark Isip Balahadya. Shoutout. Shoutout din kay Doble, Isabel Atienza. Shoutout po sa inyo lahat. Alright, back to the ball game. Wala pa rin ang Team Anonymous. 8 seconds to shoot. Good defense by Idol Rosal. Doble. 5 seconds, 3 seconds, sorry. Shot clock violation. Good defense. Grabe yung defense na yun. Pass break. Steal by Team Anonymous. Hermanes. To De Leon. De Leon versus Ball. De Leon, nice pick. Same ball lang tayo. Good defense by Kevin. Good defense. Nice steal ng Team Gravity. Pass break to Constantino. Basket counts. May kasama pang foul. Foul number 5. That's your second personal foul. Warning for penalty, both teams. Bonus free throw, basket for Idol Larry. 27-19, lumalayo na yung kalamangan. Na-steal pa nga. Hari! Reverse, no good! Rebound kay Piray. Supermanes. Step back. No good. Sayang yun. Kevin. Kevin, ball. Back to Kevin. Kevin for 3. Bang! Naging Kevin Durant, pare. Si Kevin naging Kevin Durant. Score natin, 30-19. Grabe naman yun. Pass break, nice steal na naman yung Team Gravity. Nakapo, nasa mali yung pasa mo. Eto si Joble. To Idol, no good. Same ball lang tayo. Bola para ng Team Anonymous. Score natin 30-19. Lamang ng 11 points. Ang Team Gravity. Grabe nga naman kasi yung lineup. Permanes.
Nice one.
Daw. 10 seconds to shoot. To De Leon versus Kevin. Kevin. De Leon. Ayun na nga na steal. There's a call and there's a foul. Foul number 3. Reyes, that's your De Leon, that's your second personal foul. Penalty ref.
Magi, there's you know. Magi mang-awin ng mga tao.
All warning for delay killing. Team Gravity.
Kaya!
First attempt sa blind. Second attempt. Wala pa rin. Again, number 3, that's your third personal foul. Penalty tayo, rep. Rep, penalty tayo.
Ganda, ang ganda.
First attempt ni Kevin. Kevin Durant pag nakakashoot. Second attempt. Grabe si Kevin dito. Pushing foul number 12. Nasal, that's your first personal foul. Penalty tayo, rep.
Sige, spin. Nice one.
Okay, last 10 seconds na tayo. Pwede na kayo magpahinga.
Sipag ng gitna.
Okay, habang nag-free throw si Idol, shoutout TJ. Shoutout sa Ilonggo Barcia, kay Coach Dudes.
Nice defense, Thea. Nice defense.
Shoutout Jess Enriquez, shoutout sa'yo.
Nice
Kay Bossing! Shoutout Bossing!
Free ball.
Kay Jonel Belga Bonanza. Reggie Nicolas, shoutout Idol. Sayang natalo yung idol ko. Ganun talaga ang buhay.
Sa laro.
Shoutout Pogi. Ang Barod Pogi ng Riga.
Next one.
Ay, dito. Dalawang free throws. May 2 free throws for Team Anonymous.
Let's go.
Dalawa lang. Maganda yung kasi nisumisig sa labas.
Wala ng Team Anonymous. 2 free throws lang po. 14 players ang Team Gravity, 15 players ang Team Anonymous.
Oh, mahulog yung ano.
Team Anonymous to Idol. To number 20. To number 4. Nice. Tingnan ni Idol Harry. Then, unsportsmanlike. Foul. Foul number 4. Number 4. That's your first personal foul. First team foul. Pero
Hindi sa atin wala siya pala. Magaling ka dalawa.
John, wala ba si Bossy? Wala. Opo. Sabihin nilang bias ako pero idol ko si Bossy.
Yan na, patay!
Okay, dalawa yung pumasok. Score natin 34-21. May mga 13 points ang team Gravity. Constantino. Nice pass sa ilalim. Good defense by number 14 ng Team Anonymous. To number 4, Aquino. Aquino, pasabit move, no good. Offensive rebound. Basket yan for number 7.
Go service!
Number 7, Algano. To Constantino. Constantino. Good defense. Muntik na may steal.
Nice one.
Back to Constantino. Dalawahin nyo na daw. 10 seconds to shoot. 5 seconds. Idol number 26 short. There's a call and there's a foul. Foul number 21. Ang natawagan ng foul from Team Anonymous. That's your first personal foul. Second team foul. Quote, Idol Harry, good defense by Alagano. Number 30 to number 7. Number 7! Back shot is good. Easy basketball. Galingan mo daw.
Taglang sipag!
Para di kayo mag-away pag-uwi. Number 1 to number 30 to
Nice
Constantino.
one! Bigyan mo maganda.
Harry.
Parang mo!
Harry, good defense again to number 1. Pineda.
Oh, speed, speed!
Pineda. No good. Rebound by Idol Balik. Number 14. Ayun na nga, nawala yung bola. Sayang naman yung bola ng Team Gravity. Score natin 34-25. Napababa nila ang Kalamangan to 9 points. Good defense. Same ball pa rin. Nice pass! Libre-libre! Reverse layup pa yun. Grabe naman si Idol number 15. Score 36-25. To number 21, number 21 Picks.
Go service, MJ! Take time, take time!
Number 14 Malik. No good.
8 seconds, 8
Offensive
seconds!
rebound. Same ball tayo. Bola pa rin ng Team Anonymous. Remaining time natin 6 minutes and 55 seconds sa ating third quarter. Bola pa rin ng Team Anonymous. May sub po tayo. Under 5 minutes pwede kayo mag-sub. Kahit sinong player. Number 21 with the layup. 2 points. To Idol number 26. To Idol Harry nakawala.
Bawi, bawi, bawi!
Constantino pass to number 15. Naku po, tumama sa paa. Sayang naman yun.
Nice one!
Bola ng Team Anonymous. Number 30 nagmamadali. Pass break. To number 7. Alagano. To number 21. Nice pick. Naku po, sayang yun. Rebound to number 30 ng Team Gravity. Ito na Team Gravity. To Harry. Idol. To number 26. The boy Kid Wonder. 2 points. 2 points. Ito na ang Team Anonymous. Valencia fakes. Valencia for 3 short. Offensive rebound. Alagano na. Steal na nga. Ito na si Constantino again. Constantino to number 26 again. No good. Number 30. Basket counts. May kasama pang foul. Foul number 30. Time out! Team Anonymous. Si number 30 yan ang ng foul. That's your first personal foul. 13 foul. Okay, shoutout muna tayo. Shoutout kay Ian at Chester. Si Idol Janro, Ice Candy.
Dalawa, 6
Shoutout kay Sir John ng Team Tibag. Mark Easy Balahadya. Shout out kay Ricky Rivera. Baka Ricky Rivera yun, idol. Ricky Rivero ng Team Sandstorm. From Denver, De La Cruz. Donald Domanico. Shout out po sa Alpha Community. Kay Denver, De La Cruz ng Sandstorm Team. Shout out CBX Conde. Shout out po sa mga lahat. Number 30, bonus free throw sa Blay. Okay, early line violation. Ball and team, Anonymous. Number 30, Loya.
May ka na, babawarin ka na.
Naku po, muntik na sa referee.
Enjoy ka naman.
Valencia. To number 40. Number 40.
Dito talagang napapatay.
Number 14 pa rin.
Tayo.
Substitution rin. Substitution. Pasok in, labas out. Eto na.
Bawi.
Eto na mga idol ko.
Kaya pa yan.
Naku po. Technical. Ayun na nga na technical na 6 players kayo. Idol. Technical. Technical ang team, Gravity. Dahil 6 players sila. Talagang basket. Updated score natin 40-28.
70? Kaya yan.
Okay, back to the ball game. Ito na si Idol Rosal. To number 30. De Los Santos. Foul number 7. Alagano. That's your first personal foul. Warning for penalty. Team Anonymous. Rosal. Rosal, na-steal ni Alagano. Eto na. Kaso mahirap yan. Alagano, to Bingo, na-steal ni De Los Santos. To Kevin. Kevin, pass break to number 15. Sir Idol, naku po. Nasa mali.
Dalawa lang yan.
Bumilaw, sir.
Outside yan, outside. Not over.
Eto na, bola ng team. Anonymous, Bingo. Bingo for 3! Bang! Eto na ulit si Idol. Nagbabalik. 40-31. Lamang na 9 points sa Team Gravity. Rosal with a crossover. To Mendoza. To De Los Santos for 3. No good. Offensive rebound. Rosal fade away. No good pa rin. Rebound ni Alagano. Eto na si Di Mailig. Di Mailig nagmamadali. Di Mailig. Basket counts! May kasama bang foul? Foul number 30. 30. Substitution, ref. Substitution. Number 30, that's your first personal foul.
Kaya pa yan. Malayo pa, kapitan.
Bonus free throw for Di Mailig.
Kaya yan.
Sila ano yun eh, si ano yung 20.
Wala pa rin. Rebound by Fernandez. Grabe si Di Mailig din. Wala nga siyang sinusundo ngayon sa airport. Rosal! 4-3! Bumawi! Rosal! 3 points.
Hindi niya pinalo.
Di Mailig pa rin. To number 7, Alagano. Alagano lang 3! Nako po. Substitution, ref. Pasok, in, labas, out. Score natin 43-33. Balik sa 10 ang kalabangan. Remaining time natin 1 minute and 42 seconds sa ating third quarter. Rosal. Screen by Kevin, nice screen. Kevin, no good. Rebound ni Alagano. Naku po, alanganin yung pasa. Constantino to Kevin. Kevin! Basket counts! Foul number 3. Number 3, that's your 4th personal foul. 4 ka na, Idol. Idol, 4 ka na. Bonus free throw. Bonus free throw for Kevin.
Nice one.
Ball.
Kaya pa yan.
Sablay. Naku po, offensive rebound pa ni Idol Larry. Idol Larry, no good. Offensive rebound din, Kevin. Naku po. Sino kaya nagkagano ng foul? Foul number 21. Valencia, that's your second personal foul. Penalty tayo.
Kapitan lang, kapitan!
Personal, medyo kapos. Medyo lang.
Hindi tapos laban. Outside.
Second attempt, basket number Kevin. Substitution left. Score 46-33. Gravity is up by 13 points. Fast break. Alagano na po. Masyado palakas. Running time tayo, Idol.
Bali maganda rin yung laban. May kanyang palag.
De Los Santos to Fernandez. 3 seconds. Nice pass to Harry. 2 points. 48-33. Gravity is up by 15 points. Grabe talaga. Grabe na yun ang Gravity. Grabe yung laban na to. Ang mananalo dito ay papasok na sa finals. Championship next week, Sunday. Manood po kayong lahat. Yung mananalo, may chance pa kayo. Ang kalaban nyo, kung sino na manalo sa Team Tigong versus Team Romeo and Friends.